Well, we're finally getting the rain that we so desperately need around here for two things. It was just dry to start with, and it really helped with the heat. It started thunderstorming in that last night, and I had to get up and close all the portals and hatches and stuff like that, but that's okay. Got a lot of rain coming in over there, but the temperature is just wonderful out here now. It's actually bearable for me. Bearable, but so we need the rain, and I need to cool. That's going to continue for part of the day anyway, but I'm glad it's here at all. Here it comes again. Here comes some more. Woo, yeah. Gotta love it. Yeah, here we got some rain. Hallelujah. I'm here at the office. I just put a load of laundry in I've been putting off. And we're getting a much needed rainstorm through here. And it's cooled it off. This one of the few days is not already close to 90 by this time. So you can see out there, a lot of rain coming in. See how thick it is out there, and snow's cut. A lot of rain beyond it, very thick. Good rain, I love it. We needed this so bad. At least I did anyway. And everything else, we've been really dry here. So, I'm glad to see it. Glad to see it. Well, good morning. It's not raining right now. Sunday morning. It's supposed to rain, but it looks like most stuff is clearing off. But to give you kind of an idea how much rain we did have yesterday, look how full of water my dinghy is. It is just filled way up. And this is just about empty. Had a little bit of water at the bottom yesterday, and it is filled up halfway. And I'm gonna have to get in there and bail all that water out and get it all. It won't sink. Well, it really won't sink. It's an unsinkable dinghy. And yesterday I was able to gauge the perfect time, about an hour or so where it wasn't raining. I was able to get a ride into the grocery store and pick up some groceries. I finally ate most of my food, which I've had so much of lately, which you can tell. I'll show you in a second. Watch this here. Okay, look at that belly. Give you a side view. I thought I was gonna lose some weight this summer, but I haven't. You see, I got a little bit of pooch I put on. Because you saw the food I bought the last little bit. Just way too much food. And if you have food, guess what? You have to eat it. And I have had no problem eating food lately, it seems like. I get to go out and sail a lot. Been sailing a bunch. But in between sailing and eating, I've done very little on my boat projects, which I have to start doing. That'll help me. And I haven't been getting out and walking around like I normally do. Because after sailing all that, you get tired. Sailing makes you tired. And so I get back from sailing, sit down, relax, watch some YouTube stuff, and eat, as you can see. Hopefully I can get some of this work done and some of this belly worked off. That's my plan. See if I can follow through on it. I'm going to show you how much water is actually in this boat right now. It's Sun's shining on me, so I don't know how much I can see, but I'm gonna take and reverse this in a second and show you what it looks like from the other side. Okay, here we go. I'm standing in this, and the water is way up there. And I'm gonna attempt, normally I save this water in here, but only when I'm out. I'm hooked up to shore water and all that, so I don't need to, so I just gotta bail all this out. But this is how much water, how much rain we had yesterday. I mean, it's like a foot, over a foot deep inside my little boat. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just bail her out instead of saving the water. Someplace else I'd save this for washing dishes or flushing the commode, but right now I just have to get rid of it all. Yeah, now that looks better. That looks a whole lot better. Got all that water out of there. Thing's floating again like it's supposed to. A lot of water, a lot of rain. And hadn't rained today, but it's sunny most of the time, but it's starting to cloud up a little bit now. Wouldn't mind just a little shower to cool it down a little bit, but not like we had yesterday and last night. That was a lot of rain, but it's all good. Everything needed a good washing off, and let me tell you, it got it. It got it. Everything clean and white on the outside. Yay, rain. Well, good morning, good morning. These next few days are going to just be about beating the heat. We're supposed to be getting temperatures in low 90s. Humidity's high. Depending on who you look to or listen to, our chance of rain is anywhere from 20% up to 60%. And all these, like I was saying before, they're just all predictions, so you never know. Everybody's trying to figure out what's going to happen. But the main thing that I'm going to try to do is just stay out of the sun, not be that active, because I do have a lot of stuff to do, but the main thing is to try not to overheat, try to stay cool. If I get some stuff done, fine. Like I said, the next few days are just going to be warm temperatures. I'm hoping we get a few more rain showers and cloud cover. It's pretty clear out right now. I don't think we're going to get the rain that they were calling for, except unless something else comes through later. So I'm going to be kind of uneventful here the next few days. I may get a couple things done, little things here or there, but I've got no great plans to try to accomplish major stuff. My big goal is just to stay not cool, because that's not going to happen, but at least try not to overheat, which is a bad thing in itself. But that's it. I'm going to post this on, I think, the last things I'm going to show are the rain and stuff we have had. We had inches, and possibly feet of rain here. And cool at night, which is good. It's going to be getting down in the 70s at night, which makes it tolerable to sleep anyway. So that's all good. So I'll say goodbye for now, and you may not hear from me in the next few days because it might be uneventful, but we'll see. You know how I'm a ham. I like to be on TV or video. It's not really TV, is it? But I'll keep you posted on what's going on. All right, y'all. Bye. Now I'm filming this little piece here, something we don't see a whole lot. Pretty good sized barge coming down the waterway, getting ready to head out through the cut down to the Cape Fear River. Pretty good sized barge. It's empty. Usually the only ones we see are ones hauling dredging material or dredging pipes. And we'll see if this one makes it out. We're pretty low tide right now. And there's a bar right out where he is right now, just about. We'll see if he makes it. Well, sounds like he just hit something. Something went clunk. And he is stopped. So, pretty much like I predicted, he hit that bar. It's right out on his starboard side. He's giving it the gas, trying to pull it back. If he gets more to his starboard, he might make it. But it's going to be a narrow pass through the cut. That's a pretty wide barge. We'll watch this for a little bit longer, see if he has any luck. There he goes. Off, try again. Sounds like he might be making it. Yeah, if he gets through there, he should be okay. Then again, maybe not. Like I said, this is really, really shallow, really low tide right now. But no, he's still running aground. Well, he will be there for a little while until the tide comes up. He's not going anywhere fast.